Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a black screen in video capture on OBS. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see here now, my video capture, my camera is on with this icon here, but as you can see here on video, on the recording, there is no camera. So how do you fix that? So the first thing what we need to do here is you just need to look for OBS on search, then right click on it, go to open file location. Then on this window here, right click again, open file location, and then you need to find obs64.exe. So copy the path of the exe file, and then you just need to go to graphic settings. Then on graphic settings, you need to add a desktop app, and then add OBS. So you can see here, for me, it's already added, so I just need to look for it on the list here. And once you find it, you just need to expand the option. Then you need to look for GPU preference, make sure it's a high performance and not power saving. And then what you need to do here, you need to go on search, go to manage cameras, and then here make sure that as you can see here under the camera privacy settings, this option is not disabled. And then what you need to do here is to go to OBS and open as admin. And as you can see here, your issue should be solved. And another thing that can happen, sometimes you double click and you open two OBS softwares. So as you can see here, I accidentally opened two and it's on the same window. So what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you do not open two, because on the second one, there will be no video capture. So also keep in mind that. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.